Number 1. 1996 Ford F250, price $9,900, with 108,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and a powerful 5.8L, 351 engine, it delivers both reliability and performance. Featuring four-wheel drive, this truck is ready to handle any terrain with ease. The extended cab provides extra space and comfort, while the striking blue exterior and matching blue interior embody the unmistakable style of 90s Ford trucks. As an XLT trim, it comes equipped with power windows, power locks, and cruise control for added convenience. The factory chrome bumpers and trim enhance its timeless look, and with newer tires, it is road-ready. This F250 has been well cared for and remains in good condition for its age. Whether for a collector, a Ford enthusiast, or someone seeking a dependable workhorse with classic OBS charm, this truck is a fantastic choice. Number 2. 1987 Dodge Ram 50, price $1,795. This is a well-maintained pickup truck that runs and drives as good as it looks. Manufactured by Mitsubishi for Dodge, this truck features a 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has traveled 184,000 miles and remains in excellent mechanical condition. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior is a classic tan. Equipped with both air conditioning and heat, it ensures comfort in various weather conditions. The truck comes with its original manuals and is exceptionally clean underneath, showing no signs of rust or rot. The only notable rust is on the passenger side rocker panel. While the tires exhibit some wear and dry cracking, they should still be sufficient for local driving. However, they may not be reliable for long-distance travel. Number 3. 1981 Toyota truck, price $9,500. This is a rare and exceptionally clean, rust-free California vehicle. With only 90,000 miles on the odometer, it has been well maintained and remains in excellent running condition. Equipped with a manual transmission and powered by the legendary 22R engine, one of the most reliable engines ever built, this truck offers durability and dependability. The carburetor has been professionally rebuilt at a cost of $1,200, with receipts to verify the work. The exterior is finished in white, complementing the tan interior, which remains in great shape with no cracks on the dashboard. While the truck does not currently have a radio, one can easily be added. The body is clean and free of rust, though it could benefit from some light TLC. Overall, this classic Toyota truck is a well-preserved example, ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. Number 4. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,990, with 163,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a recently serviced 5.7L V8 engine. The exterior is finished in blue, complemented by a matching blue cloth interior. Despite some typical Iowa rust on the body, the truck remains a dependable and smooth-running vehicle. Inside, it offers a clean and comfortable bench seat, power windows and locks, and cruise control for added convenience. The cabin has been well cared for, with no traces of smoke, pet hair, or any unpleasant odors. The heater functions exceptionally well, ensuring warmth during colder months. The truck is equipped with an 8-foot bed lined with a durable rubber mat, providing practicality for hauling. Its tires have plenty of tread left, making it road-ready. A clean Carfax report is available, and the vehicle comes with a clear title in hand. Number 5. 1984 Chevrolet C20, price $7,500, with a clean tan exterior and matching tan interior. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The paint is in great condition, and the body is straight with no rust, making it a strong candidate for a reliable classic truck. The engine has been rebuilt and runs, though it would benefit from proper timing and tuning to reach its full potential. Inside, the cabin is clean, well-kept, and comfortable, offering a pleasant driving experience. An upgraded Pioneer sound system enhances the ride with quality audio. The long bed provides ample space for hauling, making it a practical choice for work or leisure. While it needs a carrier bearing, this C20 is a solid classic truck with a clean title in hand. Number 6. 1980 Chevrolet K20, price $8,500, with a manual transmission and a bold blue exterior. It runs a strong small block engine with a new Holley 600 carburetor, paired with a Granny 4-speed transmission and an NP208 transfer case. The truck cranks, runs, and drives well, with a working heater for added comfort. It sits on 16-inch weld wheels with TSL tires, and the four-wheel drive system, along with all lights, functions properly. Structurally, the truck is in good shape for its age, with solid rocker panels and floor pans. However, the cab corners and the area behind the rear wheels need some repair. The brakes work but could use some attention to improve performance. Number 7. 1967 Ford F250, price $8,500. It is powered by a refreshed 390th engine, which is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission featuring a granny first gear. With 81,000 miles on the odometer, this truck runs on gasoline and has received numerous upgrades to ensure reliability and performance. A brand new clutch and a completely rebuilt brake system have been installed, along with many other new components that contribute to its smooth and dependable operation. The exterior is finished in a striking green color that matches the interior, giving it a cohesive and timeless look. For the past year, this truck has been used as a daily driver, proving its durability and roadworthiness. It also comes with a clean title. Number 8. 1997 Chevrolet C1500, price $6,000. It has 237,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. It has a green exterior with a brown interior and runs on gasoline. This truck is equipped with 22 American Racing Nova wheels and has been lowered using spindles and coils in the front, along with a flip kit and in-frame C-notch in the rear. Under the hood, it houses a 5.7L V8 engine that runs great without any smoke. Additional features include a steel cowl hood, power windows, power steering, power locks, and power mirrors. Despite being over 25 years old, this truck remains in exceptional condition. It does have a couple of dents on the rear of the roof, some missing clear coat, and soft cab corners, but other than that, there's nothing left to do except enjoy the ride. It comes with a clean and clear title, which is up to date and in the owner's name. Number 9. 1985 Ford F150, price $7,000. This is a classic pickup with a manual transmission, a sleek black exterior, and just 70,000 miles. As of 2025, it has received numerous new parts, including an oil pump, timing chain, motor mounts, radiator, fan clutch, water pump, oil pan gasket, front main seal, thermostat, timing cover, serpentine belt, and oil dipstick. The clutch system, AC lines, water temp sensor, exhaust manifolds, valve covers, and a one-wire alternator conversion have also been replaced. Additionally, the accelerator pump and turn signals have been updated. This well-maintained F-150 offers classic style with modern reliability, making it a great choice for enthusiasts. Number 10. 1974 Ford F100, price $10,000. Featuring a powerful 460 big block engine paired with a reliable C6 automatic transmission. It runs and drives exceptionally well, making it ready for any journey, whether short trips or long hauls. With a solid, rust-free body and a clean Florida title, this truck has been well cared for and maintained over the years. Its combination of power and vintage charm makes it a standout on the road. The owner is looking to trade for an older diesel truck, as they need a more heavy-duty vehicle capable of pulling tractors and other equipment.